Hello students, in this PowerPoint presentation I will discuss the study effect of saline purgative on frog intestine. So the requirement will be same as like animal will use this frog and the drug. We will use three kind of solution: hypotonic, hypertonic and the isotonic solution. Isotonic solution, it means frog ringer solution, and the hypertonic solution we will use the magnesium sulfate in a specific concentration, and the hypotonic solution like saline in a specific concentration. And the equipment as given in the slide. So after that, as we know, the saline purgatives is a highly charged compound and it has capability to hold the water along with it. So once we take the saline purgative and it has capability to hold the water or pull the water from periphery, so it means whenever it will be present, wherever it will be present, like we have taken from the mouth and is it mixed with the stool, so in the stool it has capability to add is hooks the water from periphery, so it will increase the size of a stool, and as the size of a stool becomes high or more, it will provide a stretch over the GIT membrane, and the stretch over the GIT membrane is responsible for giving a signal to the acetylcholine to increase the peristaltic movement, and this will ultimately result in the ease of defecation. So this is the normal mechanism behind this experiment of the saline purgative. So the procedure will be, we will sacrifice by using the same method that we used pithing for the frog in the earlier experiment also, and we will cut out the small intestine part, and we will divide these intestinal part into three compartments. Like the first compartment we will consider for, we will give the first compartment by using the thread. We will tie the thread in the both end, and we will take three compartment of intestine after cutting. So we will add in first compartment, we will add hypotonic solution, in second compartment we will add hypertonic solution, in the third compartment we will add isotonic solution, that is frog ringer solution. We will wait for 20 minutes and we will see what is the effect of these different solution over the different compartments, and we observe that in the after administrating the hypotonic solution, the compartment of intestine becomes shrinks, while in the presence of hypertonic solution, which is basically a saline purgative, because all the saline purgatives which we take is highly hypertonic in nature. So hypertonic solution is responsible for swelling of stool, or you can say the intestinal lumen. So in isotonic there will be no change. So from this we have concluded that after administrating the saline purgative that we use for the constipation treatment is actually responsible for holding the water along with it, and holding the water along with it is responsible for increasing the bulk size of a stool, and thereby the increase the stretch over the intestinal lumen, and stretch over the intestinal lumen is responsible for giving signal to the acetylcholine, so that more and more peristaltic movement will be there and there will be ease in defecation. So the observation will be like that. We are using 0.2 ml of each solution. So the conclusion as I have discussed, and this will be the result, that 0.2 ml shrunken, and this is like we observed, we look at the we have already seen the observation table. And after the completion of this experiment, the student must know what is osmotic purgative, what is constipation, why we use magnesium sulfate in constipation. And these are the references from where I gather this matter. So this is all about the experiment of, this is the simple experiment of saline purgatives. Right? So student can also add one more thing, that student also in the image form they can add the compartment image representing the different compartment. Right? So this is all about the study of effect of saline purgative on frog intestine. Thank you very much.